Hey y'all, it's griddling time. So I've done a little shopping. This is the dome I've been using, and I broke down and bought a black stone cover. Look at the difference. And now I can cover twice as much. Um, this one's so much bigger. I got me a little fishy spatula. Speaking of fish, something fishy's going on. I got salmon with red potatoes, zucchini, and lemon pepper butter. Seafood to go. And I got it because I'm cheap and it was on sale. It gives directions for microwave or conventional oven, which, as you can see, this is not a microwave or a conventional oven, but with one of the basting covers, I think we can create an oven effect, maybe. We'll see. So, here we got our fish, and what else is it? Potatoes, uh, zucchini, and lemon pepper butter, all on the griddle. I've got it medium low, low, medium low. I'll use the small one because keep everything compact. I've got the fish closer to the edge so it doesn't overcook, and the veggies in the middle so they'll overcook or cook faster, hopefully. That's the theory. The butter's setting on top so it'll melt onto everything, including the fish and the veggies. So let's give it a shot. For $2, it's hard to go wrong. Okay, y'all, let's take a look, shall we? I've been flipping and tossing and turning. The taters and the zucchini's looking good. I got my handy thermometer. I want the fish to be about 145. It's about 130 right now. Well, getting close, getting close. If you're not cooking with a dome, cook with your dome. It makes an amazing difference. So, we've got a few more minutes. Something smells fishy. I bet it's here. Give it another look. Ah, that didn't take long at all. So, we're at operating temperature. Sorry for reaching in front of you. We got a plate. Turn this off, that'll help. Put this aside. And got the fish. Got potatoes. We got zucchini. We got some kind of pepper, garlic, butter, something. I don't know. I didn't pay attention to what I read. Go away, fly. Shoot, fly. The last potato doesn't want to go. Okay. Looky, looky. Looky there. Looky there. Huh? Looks yummy, doesn't it? So, something the oven can't do is get that char that the Blackstone gives. And the flavors of the potatoes and the zucchini have mixed. Oops. Zucchini back. Plus the fishy. The char, man. You can't beat that char. And the fish. Okay, I gotta tell you, this may be the best $2 lunch I've ever had. That is delicious. So, that's it. Fishy, one more look. Yum. That's all the fishiness of today's episode. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for your kind comments. Even constructive criticism. Trolls be gone. But most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. We appreciate y'all, and we'll see you next time. Bye!